Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome back to part 4 of my Mother's Day Butterfly and Roses craft series. Today, we're going to focus on 3x3 note cards and dimensional boxes. Before I show you the note cards, let me show you some of the products that I used. First, I use this Spellbinders Nestability dies. It's called Delightful Circles. I use this Sizzix Rosette die. I use this Martha Stewart Country Butterfly Punch. I use this We Are Memory Keeper envelope punch board to create the dimensional boxes. The 2 paper stacks that I used are by DCWV. They are the Elegant Serene stack and the Embossed Foil stack. For my loaded file folder, we had to create 3 3x3 note cards that also had envelopes and a sentiment. This is the first card that I created. As you can see, I used the rose gold foil trim in the background, and I also layered it on this beautiful rose gold rosette. On top of that is this layered butterfly. The sentiment says, "Believe in yourself." The second card is layered on this blue and pink floral background, and we have 2 beautiful butterflies. This says, "Become your best you." And last but not least, we have this note card, also layered on a light pink rosette, and it says, "Choose to be happy." As you can see, each of these note cards have a fair amount of dimension, so I could not include a standard flat envelope. Instead, I decided to make a dimensional box. I found a tutorial by Frances Martin on YouTube. I will be sure to include a link to her YouTube channel that shows you how to make this cute dimensional box using your We Are Memory Keeper envelope punch. And I've used this beautiful circle trim on each of the boxes with coordinating design paper just to dress up the boxes a little bit. This concludes my review of my 3x3 note cards and my dimensional boxes. Please be sure to join me for part 5 of my Mother's Day Roses and Butterfly craft series, where I will show off my embellished dress forms. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.